Hi neighbor, it's me, Daniel Tiger, and we're going to learn how to spell my first name today, Daniel. Do you know how to spell your name? There are letters inside the Sesame Street school bus. Let's open up the case. But first, let's push the Elmo button. Time to open. Before we spell my name, let's sing the alphabet together. That was so much fun. Now together let's spell my name, Daniel. I had to practice and practice, but now I know how to spell it. Do you know what my name starts with? Duh. It's one of the green letters. The first letter in my name starts with D. Let's see what's behind the D. Duck. What does a duck say? Quack, quack. What's the second letter in my name? A. A. It's the purple A. Let's see what's hidden behind A. Oh, it's our friend Abby Kadabi. D-A, Dan. N, orange N. Let's see what's behind N. Ooh, that one was stuck. Look, tiny fans, it's a nest. Do you remember when we found a birdie nest when we were picking raspberries? You should go watch that video if you haven't already seen it. It was a pretty neat experience. This is where my name can be a little more tricky. Daniel. Oops, the case fell, but everything's okay. No big deal. Behind the I is an iguana. I is a vowel, and I have another vowel in my name, E. After I comes E, already. Another one of our friends, Ernie. Can everyone wave to Ernie? I have 6 letters in my name, so there's one more at the very end. Danielle. Oh, L. Here's a blue L. And look at what's behind. Roar! It's a lion. Let's say the letters of my name together. I'm going to use Mr. Pointer since I have paws because I'm a tiger. Roar! D-A-N-I-E-L. Now, when we have toys with small pieces, we want to make sure we put them back so they don't get lost. It's time to clean up. Can you sing the cleanup song with me? Clean up, everybody, everywhere.